Sponsored by Panasonic. Smart factory solutions for any mix, any volume. Introducing the new NPM W2S, the ideal placement solution for manufacturers who value reduced setup and changeover.
Welcome to MacDermid Alpha booth here at IPC Apex. I'm joined by Tim Williams, who's the VP of the Global Assembly Business for Alpha and MacDermid.
Correct, Trevor. Correct. Yes.
So obviously that group is growing over the years. MacDermid acquired the Alpha brand, but more recently I believe you've acquired Kester, which is a very well-known brand here in the US.
Exactly. December 19, Kester joined the MacDermid Alpha Electronics family, and we're very happy to have them. It's a well-known brand, as you know, in the industry, with some very good complementary products for us. Some good people coming with it. They have a little bit of a global footprint. Just a good fit with our assembly business.
Right. So it's a good fit in terms of the people, customer business, and some of the products. Okay.
Exactly. Good people, good customers, good channel to market. Perfect fit, really, from a product standpoint, right, with the Alpha product line. So together, I think it's a strong offering to the marketplace.
Is there much overlap?
Sure. Yeah, of course. Right. Kester's been around for a long time. The Alpha line's been around for a long time. So from wire, fluxes, preforms, we overlap there. But again, they have a strong name. Their wire solder, I would say, has been an industry leader for years now. So that's a good complement to our product line and adds to our offering. They have some preforms that are a little different than some of the things that we offer today. Again, a good complement and will help us right in the marketplace. So again, I think together it's a stronger group put together than independently, right?
What about the branding? Is it good to? You're not going to be changing your overall branding? It's going to sit as a product brand, I believe, underneath.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to keep the Kester brand. The brand name's been out there, well known, globally in the industry. The plan is to absolutely keep the Kester brand visible for the customers and for the future.
Any changes that you foresee happening? Are you just leaving it to operate independently on its own, or are you bringing some of the back office stuff into your headquarters? How do you plan to?
It's early days, right? So the first thing is obviously things like financial reporting, HR, IT systems. That's all got to come out of the old ITW world, which Kester was in prior to this. So all that is an ongoing process right now. From the customer-facing side, we're going very slow, leaving everything as it is today. The Kester commercial team is in place, supporting the customer base and the channel to market that's there today. So we're going very slow on that. Really don't want to disrupt the business. The idea is really, it's all around growth. How can we put it together and be a stronger offering to the marketplace and grow our business?
I mean, of course, as part of the ITW family, they were very heavily into the 80-20 philosophy. I mean, how does that fit with MacDermid Alpha?
I mean, the 80-20 philosophy, right, it was focusing on their highest margin, their biggest customers. I don't know that it's really all that much different. I think all businesses, in a sense, kind of do that, right? Focusing on your largest, your biggest customers, your best margin opportunities. So I don't know that there's a big difference or change there, really.
Good.
So.
Okay. Well, it's an exciting acquisition. Is this part of an ongoing strategy? Are you looking at other potential material science companies that are a good fit in the industry?
I think it's the parent company Element Solutions was really put together with a number of acquisitions, starting with MacDermid, OMG. They purchased and brought in Alent, which was the Enthone, and the Alpha businesses. So it's really been put together through a group of acquisitions, and Kester is now just another part of that. So yeah, always looking for other opportunities to strengthen the offering.
Well, congratulations on your acquisition, and I hope everything continues to go well for the MacDermid and Alpha Group.
Thank you, Trevor. Appreciate you coming by. Thank you.